Hello friends, welcome in my YouTube channel. In this video we are doing a linear programming problem by simplex method. In the linear programming problem there are various methods to solve these type of problems, but in this video we are doing by simplex method. To solve the following LPP using simplex method, it is a maximization problem. Maximize z is equal to 12x1 plus 16x2 subject to 10x1 plus 20x2 lesser than is equal to 120. Second constraints 8x1 plus 8x2 lesser than 18, or x1 and x2 greater than or equal to 0. This is the given problem. Maximize z is equal to 12x1 plus 16x2 subject to these are the two constants we are given. So right here to add slack variable in these constants, 10x1 plus 20x2 plus s1 is a slack variable is equal to 120, as 8x1 plus 8x2 plus 8x2 plus s2 is equal to 80. s2 is also a slack variable. We need to add slack variable because these constants we are doing equal. These are the first constant, these are the second constants. There is a x1, x2, s1, s2 greater than equal to 0. So these are the slack variable of coefficient. Add in this maximization equation, plus s1 0 plus s2 0. Now see how I am going to initial feasible table. So here this is the format of initial simplex table. In this CBI, Cj basic variable, solution origin ratio. Here Cj refers to coefficient of objective function. Here the objective function is maximize z is equal to 12x1 plus 16x2 plus 0s1 plus s2. So the coefficient of objective function is 12, 16, 0, 0. Here write 12, 16, 0, 0, and the basic variable is in the objective function x1, x2, s1, s2. They are the four basic variable, x1, x2, s1, s2. Here I am doing in the objective functions, the coefficient of objective function is 12, 16, 0, 0, and the basic variable is x1, x2, s1, s2. So here right, so I am here right. Now in this equation we are the two basic variable given, and in these values 0, 0. So the value is written here, and the two basic variable we given, so right here s1, s2. So now I am going into the look at the first constants. First constant 10 x1 plus 20 x2 plus 1 s1 प्लस s2 यहाँ पे नहीं है, तो उसके लिए हम 0 ले लेंगे इज इक्वल टू 120. 10 20 1 s1 s2 के लिए 0, solution 120. So for s2 look at the second constants, 8 x1 8 x2, s1 नहीं है तो 0, s2 के लिए 1, सॉल्यूशन कितना 80. Now we find zj values. For zj we have a simple formula to find the zj values, but here I am using a simple way to find the value of zj. Here in this table look at the first CBI, the first element of x, 0 into 10 plus 0 into 8. 0 plus 10, 0 into 10 plus 0 into 8 is equal to 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Is their value 0? So now 0 plus 20, 0 into 20, 0 into 8 दोनों को प्लस कर देंगे, क्या आ जाएगा 0 into 20 plus 0 into 8, 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. So as it is here, 0 into 1 0, 0 into 0 0, 0 into 0 0, 0 into 1 0, as it is 0 into 0, 120 into 0 0 plus 80 into 0 0, to 0. Here are the ZJ values. So here I am doing this element into this plus this into this. 0 into 10 0 plus 0 into 8 0, 0 into 20 0 plus 0 into 8 0. ऐसे इसमें this so this is the values. Now we find difference between CJ minus ZJ. CJ minus ZJ. CJ value is कितनी 12. This is the ZJ value 12 minus 0 0, 12 minus 0 12, 12 minus कितना आ जाएगा 12 minus 0 12, 16 minus 0 16, 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0. There are the values. Now we check the optimality condition for maximization. All Cj minus Zj will be less than is equal to 0, यानी 0 or negative value. For minimization, all Cj minus Zj will be greater than equal to 0, यानी all the positive values are here. So for maximization, all 0 or negative values. So here 0 or we get positive values, so this is not match the conditions. So now this step, so again in these values we find maximum value element. This is the maximum value element. So this is the column, key column. इसे ऐसे हम कर देंगे, this is the key column. So here I am doing find the maximum element in these values and draw the circle in this column. This is the key column. So now we find the ratio. रेशो निकालने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा 120 को डिवाइड करने पड़ेगा किससे 20 से. 120 डिवाइडेड बाय 20, 120 डिवाइडेड बाय 20 इज इक्वल टू आ गया 6. 80 डिवाइडेड बाय 8, 80 डिवाइडेड बाय 8 इज इक्वल टू 10. So now the ratio values will be obtained. So in the ratio values we check who's the minimum element, least element. So least element is 6. So circle these row. This is the key row, this is the key row. So here I am doing रेशो निकालने के लिए क्या किया 120 डिवाइडेड बाय these element, 80 divided by these element. So now ratio check the least value and draw the this row is a key row and this element is a key element, is a key element, is a key element. Now we find this and now this is the leaving variable and this is the entering variable. X2 is the entering variable, S1 is the leaving variable. So in the first iteration we doing, so look at the iteration first. So this is the CBI, CJ, basic variable and solution, or so CJ and basic variable put same on the initial simplex table 12, 16, 0, 0, x1, x2, s1, s2. So now in this table s1 is a leaving variable and x2 is an entering variable. So right here entering variable replace this leaving variable. x2 is an entering variable and x2 value is 16. So right here x2 value is 16 right here. So now find these value by this step. Every element of this row divided by the key element, yani 10 divided by 20, 20 divided by 20 and 1 divided by 20, 0 divided by 20. This formula is for find the new value of this row. 10 divided by 20, 1 by 2, 20 divided by 20, 1, 1 by 20, 1 by 20. It is a 0. 120 by 120 divided by 20 is equal to 6. So now for these elements are the basic variable, so put in this table same as 0, s2. Now find these values. The new value found, this is the given, इसका एक formula होता है. This the formula is new value is equal to old value minus के corresponding key column value into corresponding key row value upon key element. By this formula we find the value of these row. So look here, initial simplex table, here is 8 is the old value and key corresponding column value, this is the 8 and key corresponding key column row value 10. This is the column, this is the row. So old value is equal to 8, old value is equal to 8, corresponding key column value is minus 8, corresponding key row value 10 into 10 divided by key element. key element कितना है हमारे पास 20. तो इसे सोल्व करके आएगा 8 minus 80 by 20 is equal to 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. So here the value is 4. Now again look in this table, old value is 8, key column value is also 8 and key corresponding key row value is 20. So now here this is, देखिए old value is 8 minus corresponding key column value is also 8 into corresponding key row value is 20 divided by 20 is the 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. So we find the value 0. Now in this table, look this table, old element 0, corresponding key column value 8 and corresponding key row value 1. So find this value. Old value is 0 minus corresponding key column value is 8, corresponding row value is 1 divided by 20 is equal to 0 minus के 8 by 20 and 0 minus के 2 by 5 is equal to minus के 2 by 5. So find the value क्या आई, माइनस की 2/5. So again look in this table. Old value is 1, corresponding key column value 8, corresponding key row value 0. So find the values. Old value is 1 minus corresponding key column value 8 into corresponding row value 0 upon corresponding upon key element कितना है 20. इससे निकल के आ जाएगा हमारा 1. So find the value is 1. So again look in this table. Old element 80, corresponding key column element 8, corresponding row element 120. So find the value. Old element 80 minus corresponding column value 8 into corresponding row value 120 upon key element 20. तो 80 minus 960 upon 20 and 80 minus 488 is equal to 32. The new value is 32. So new value is 32. So we find the value for row 1 and row 2. These are the new values. Now we find the value of ZJ. ZJ के निकालने के लिए फॉर्मूला क्या आता है, CBI इंटू XI. तो 16 इंटू 1/2 प्लस 0 प्लस के 4, इसे निकाला क्या आएगा 8. 16 इंटू 1, 0 इंटू 0 16. 16 इंटू 1/20 प्लस 0 इंटू माइनस 2/5 इज इक्वल टू 4/5. 16 इंटू 0 0 प्लस 0 इंटू 0 0. दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ ZJ. कैसे किया, 16 इंटू दिस एलिमेंट प्लस दिस, 16 इंटू दिस प्लस दिस, ऐसे सारी वैल्यू निकल कर आ गई. नाउ वी फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ CJ माइनस ZJ. CJ 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. 0 minus 4/5 minus के 4/5. 0 minus 0. Now again we check the optimality conditions. CJ minus ZJ 0 से 0 या हमें नेगेटिव वैल्यू मिलनी चाहिए मैक्सिमाइजन के लिए. तो यहाँ पर हमें एक पॉजिटिव वैल्यू मिल गई है, तो कंडीशन इज नॉट सेटिस्फाई. नाउ विल चेक दिस वैल्यू इज द greater value. These are the greater value in these elements. So we select this column is a key column. Now we find key column. Now we find the ratio. रेशो निकालने के लिए क्या करना पड़ता है, 6 डिवाइडेड बाय 1/2. 6 डिवाइडेड बाय 1/2 इज इक्वल टू 12 एंड दिस एलिमेंट डिवाइडेड बाय दिस एलिमेंट 32 डिवाइडेड बाय 4 is equal to 8. Now the ratio R is here. Now we check in the ratio who is the least element and draw the circle on these row. These are the key row. This is the least element and draw these row is the key row. Is the key row and this is the key element. This is the key element. Now this is the iteration second. CJ and basic variable values will be same as iteration first. So now find the values of these rows. So here in this table, s2 is an leaving variable, x1 is an entering variable. So s2 is leave and x1 is enter. s2 is leave. यहाँ पर आ जाएगा x1। x1 की वैल्यू कितनी है यहाँ पर 12। नाउ वी फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ दीज, find the value of these rows. Again, this is the key element divided by every element of these rows divided by key element. 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1, and 0 divided by 4 is equal to 0, and this minus 2 by 5 divided by 4 is equal to minus के 1 by 10, and 1 divided by 4 is equal to 1 by 4, and 32 divided by 4 is equal to 8. Now we find the value of these rows. Here are the two basic variable, write as same x2 or 16. Now find the value of these new values to follow the formula of new value is, this is the formula for finding the new value of these rows. So now look at the iteration first. Old value is equal to 1 by 2 minus corresponding key column value is equal to 1 by 2 and into corresponding key row value is 4 divided by key element 4. इसका क्या आ जाएगा 0. The value of this element is 0. Now we find the second one. The old value is 1 minus corresponding key column value is 1 by 2 into key row value is 0 divided by key element 4 is equal to, कितना ऐसे और करके से 1. So these values find as 1. Now in the third element, old element is 1 by 20 minus key row element, key corresponding key column element is 1 by 2 into corresponding key column minus 2 by 5 divided by key element 4. सोल्व करके आएगा हमारा 1 by 10. तो यहाँ पर लिख देंगे 1 by 10. For the next value, old value is 0, corresponding column value is 1 by 2, corresponding row value is 1 divided by 4 is equal to, इसका आएगा माइनस के 1 by 8. So here right is minus के 1 by 8. So now we find the value of this element. 6 is the old element minus corresponding key column value is 1 by 2 divide into corresponding column value is 32 divided by key element is equal to, सोल्व कर जाएगा हमारा 2. The new value is 2. So these are the row 1 and row 2 values. Now we find the value of ZG, CBI into XI. Simple formula है 16 into 0 plus 12 into 1 is equal to 12. 16 into 1 plus के 12 into 0 is equal to 16. This into this plus this into this is equal to 2 by 5. This into this दोनों को प्लस कर देंगे, क्या आ जाएगा हमारा 1. So now solve 16 into 2 plus 12 into 8 इज इक्वल टू कितना आ जाएगा हमारा 128. दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ जेड जे. नाउ वी फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ सी जे माइनस जेड जे. सी जे माइनस जेड जे. सी जे वैल्यू इज दिस, जेड जे वैल्यू इज दिस. सी जे वैल्यू इज 12, जेड जे वैल्यू इज 12. 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. तो 0 minus 2 by 5 is equal minus 2 by 5. 0 minus 1 minus 1. Now this, now we check the condition for maximization. Cj minus zj less than is equal to 0, यानी 0 or negative values. So here we check cj minus zj values 0, 0, minus 2 by 5 minus 1. So all the values are 0 or negative values. So condition is satisfied. Now find the value of the x1 and x2. So x1 की वैल्यू कितनी है हमारे पास? x1 की वैल्यू कितनी है 12. for x2 की वैल्यू कितनी है 16. एंड द z, द ऑप्टिमल पॉइंट कितना आया इसका? ऑप्टिमल पॉइंट आया इसका कितना 128. दिस इज द टोटल. सो थैंक यू गाइज. वेल, सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल. वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक कर देना प्लीज़. शेयर ऑल्सो.